This is the legendary Canon 7D. For people who know about photography and they know their cameras, they know this is a workhorse. I've been using it for many years, but I have decided to switch from this camera to an 80D. In this video, I'm going to tell you my top 5 reasons why I decided to make the move, and along the way, I compared the two cameras, and I will do an unboxing of the 80D. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sean. If this is the first time visiting, please consider subscribing. If you enjoy this content, please don't forget to smack that like button. About 2 months ago, I started posting videos on my YouTube channel, and I've been using my iPhone to do that. When I started to use my 7D to take some of these videos, I had some challenges. Number one, this does not have a flip out screen, and since I'm by myself when I take these videos, that will be absolutely amazing and helpful, so I can see if I'm in focus or not, and all the necessary information on the display screen available for me to see. Second reason that I decided to switch from a 7D to 80D, it's video continuous autofocus. This basically does not have that feature available. And in contrast, the 80D has an absolutely amazing continuous video autofocus, and many vloggers prefer to use 80D, even though it's not a workhorse like this camera, but it serves the purpose if you're looking to do a vlog style or shoot videos and there's no one else around to try to help you out. Third reason is slow motion. Even though 80D does not offer a true slow motion, but it is double what the 7D Mark I can offer. This will shoot only at 30 frames per second when you're in full HD, and 80D will shoot at 60 frames per second when you're in full HD. The fourth reason is its weight. This camera is very heavy, especially with this lens that I have on it right now. The camera weighs 860 grams. The lens I'm using right now, the 24-77 at a 2.8 f-stop, and this lens weighs 805 grams, so total of 1,665 grams is the weight of my setup right now. When you look at an 80D, the body itself weighs 730 grams, and because I will be using a much smaller lens, I'll be using the 50mm 1.8, and combined weight is going to be 889 grams. And last, the wireless connectivity of 80D that it offers, which helps out with file transfer or using my phone as a viewfinder to be able to control focus, be able to switch from video mode or to photo mode. Quick recap: amazing autofocus during video shooting. Number 2, flip out screen. Number 3, being able to shoot slow-mo, 60 frames per second, full HD. Number 4, the weight of the camera. And number 5, the added wireless connectivity. With the 80D, I ordered the creator bundle that comes with a Rode mic as well as an 18-135 USM zoom lens. This is the 50mm 1.8. We get a 32 gig card. We get the Rode Video Mic Go. We get the power zoom adapter, which you would be able to attach it to the lens, use it to do a power zoom to get that really smooth zoom instead of manually moving the lens. We also get 18-135 USM zoom lens and the body itself. Really, Canon? This must be the worst unboxing ever. So this is the power zoom adapter. Video Mic Me Go. This is the largest shotgun mic you can get for your camera that does not require a battery. owner's manual, warranty information, registration, ADD, band, the battery, and this, by the way, is the same battery as the 7D. It's the same size battery. The lens kit, the EFS 18-135 millimeter. This has image stabilization, autofocus. It has the new smart connector that you will be able to use that with the adapter. And that's how you're able to get this to work with this. The zoom ring seems smooth. It is definitely plasticky. The focus ring also seems very smooth. They did not go plasticky on the back. Charger and the body itself. Here it is, guys. It actually has a very nice grip. It seems slightly smaller on the back. I'm gonna do a side by side real quick, but you're missing some physical button. That's the first thing I can see, but you still have the dial. You have the LCD at the top, your hot shoe, and the flip out screen. Let's talk about some specs. 7D has a dual processor Digit 4 and ADD has a single processor Digit 6. 7D shoots at 18 megapixel and ADD shoots at 24 megapixel. 7D has a maximum boosted ISO of 12,800 and ADD has a maximum boosted ISO of 25,600. 7D has 19 point autofocus and ADD has 45-point autofocus. They both have the same maximum shutter speed of 1/8000 of a second. 7D weighs 860 grams, ADD weighs 730 grams. And last but not least, this camera shoots at a maximum of 30 frames per second at Full HD and ADD shoots at 60 frames per second at Full HD. Now, the body of this camera, it is built much stronger, it is weather resistant, it is an absolute workhorse. However, for my needs and my shooting condition, this camera is a lot more suitable, especially when I'm shooting indoor, I'm by myself, and I don't have any assistant. I need to be able to manage everything by myself fairly quickly, and this will be absolutely fine. Let's open up the 50mm lens we have and put it on. Some bubble wraps and the lens. Very, very lightweight, very plasticky, but if you're a photographer, you know the power of this very inexpensive lens. This is so much lighter. Oh my God. We need a battery. What do we do with the battery? Does it have any juice? Really? We got one more thing to open up. So a couple of things I really like about this shotgun mic is number one, it doesn't need any battery, so that's gonna be a lifesaver. Number two is the suspension system that this has. It actually, this is the first time I'm using it, but from the reviews I have seen and heard, it actually is very effective. Slide it in your hot shoe, twist the knob. This is it, guys. Now to do a comparison, I'm going to clap my hands and then you're gonna see me and hear me from this camera instead of my iPhone. And this is my video using the new Canon ADD. I did not spend a lot of time trying to color grade. I just wanted to show the basic differences between the cameras. Like I said, this may not be the ideal situation for everybody, but based on my needs, this move made sense. Please comment down below. Let me know if you guys currently using a 7D or ADD, or based on your knowledge, what do you guys think about my move? Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.